Hello friends, I'm PK. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to know interesting factors about Peruvian gastronomy. Yes, in my previous video already given a little introduction about this, and today we are going to know further interesting and delicious factors of Peruvian gastronomy. I know now due to this pandemic situation you are still worried about your travel, but don't worry, you can travel again with all hope and with the same enthusiasm. So before starting this video, if you want to learn more about travel stuff, then click subscribe and the bell icon and let's do this together. The wealth of its lands and cultural diversity give Peru an exquisite and tremendously varied gastronomy. Each city boasts its own regional dish with unique flavors. Thousands of countryside products and tens of living cultures which have shared a single territory for centuries create an offer that is practically infinite. Let's your taste buds to choose for you. Peruvian cuisines reflects the country's history with a variety that is unique in the world. We find dishes that sweeten our palates in every corner of the country. The cuisines of Lima, the Narcos, the Amazon, Arequipa, the Andes, and Nova Andean cuisine are waiting to be served at your table so you can have an unparalleled gastronomic experience. The Peruvian mountains are synonymous with variety. Andean cuisine abounds with stews, soups, meats, and exquisite desserts made from corn, milk, and fruits. Combining the high nutritional value of the Andean ingredients in a traditional earthen pot over a wood fire to create the most delicious dishes of this hearty cuisine would be any chef's dream. If only given one phrase to describe the varied cuisine of the Peruvian Amazon, it would be culinary delight. Food from the Peruvian Amazon not only entices with its exotic dishes, but also attracts travelers with its great variety of delicacies such as beef, poultry, fish, mutton, and pork. Lima's cuisine has undoubtedly earned it an excellent and well-deserved position as one of the top food capitals in the world. In addition to hosting the most important food fair in Latin America, its culinary variety delights locals and visitors alike. With its iconic dishes ceviche and tiradito, Lima is a prime destination for those who love good cuisine. Novo Andean cuisine is a new style originating in Peru that reclaims the culinary traditions of its pre-Hispanic past to recreate and therefore rediscover many local ingredients. The recreation of Andean cuisine draws on elements from other cultural landscapes such as Europe. You will love Arequipa's food and restaurants, also known as picanterias, where the delicious aromas of the regional repast waft through the air along with the heat of wood fires. During your fortunate encounter with the white city of Arequipa, don't forget to try the traditional corn chicha accompanied by a delicious anise drink, naha, which eases digestion. The warm climate of Peru's northern coast offers a delectable variety of seafood and fish to satisfy the tastes of even the most discriminating visitors. At the end, there are many ways to explore Peru, and one of the most gratifying is through its gastronomy. Imagine yourself visiting a local market with a renowned chef to buy the finest ingredients and prepare Peru's famous ceviche, or learning to prepare delicious Peruvian dishes with local ingredients in the culinary laboratory of a world-class chef, or even making a tour by bicycle of the best bars and eateries in the city. In order to truly experience Peruvian cuisine, the options are practically endless, and you will be certain to enjoy memorable experiences. Because if there is one thing Peruvians take very seriously, it is food.